probably wondering how I got in that asteroid and how the police have been looking for me since 2020, but I will show you all my backstory. Let's just rewind.
Push, 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 push.
I'm trying.
Mama?
Nope, another not perfect bird.
Mom, why did you do that?
Because he's a circle and no baby bird's a circle.
Can I have some money?
Okay. Hey.
Hey!
Oh, man? It's a good thing they have a bomb in the room. Anyway, I need to go somewhere that the police can't find me.
I'm so strong and huge!
Hey, big guy, can you put a hole in this asteroid and put me in there?
Don't mind if I do!
Now, can you glue my egg and glue part of the asteroid back on it?
Hang on! What is this?
I don't know, maybe we should push it down to Earth.
That was a bad idea! Oh, no.
Get in the house!
Huh? Hey, Egg. Let's find you a home.
No, I don't want a home.
Ah, a little bird.
Hey, where are you taking me?
I'm going to find you a home.
I'm 142 years old. Stop thinking I'm a son. And that's how it all started? Now, how am I supposed to get out of here?